Howdy, howdy. What are we doing?
Rolling out of a park for the last time in Sandy, the momentum. Probably can't hear me very well.
And we get a little closer. Yeah, last pull out of the park, last rally. Lots of emotion this morning again. Lots of goodbyes. Lots of see laters. Lots of down the roads.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna miss our Grand Design family at these rallies because it's formed a lot of friendships and
It's
they're
amazing.
not gonna end.
No, they're not going to end. Just down the road. We have to do other things. Figure out other ways.
For sure.
For sure.
So hopefully we can get home.
Get home and
It'll be time to
clean this bad boy up.
take the decals
We're going
off.
to take decals off. See the ones on the back and the ones on the front. And then, yeah.
There we go.
Announcements coming soon for new adventures. Whoop.